Legendary. Meet inspired. Introducing Koningsdam. Ushering in a new class of ship to join our fleet of premium mid-size cruise ships. Forward-thinking interior designs put our guests' experience first, drawing inspiration from the world of music, playing on the sensual lines and shapes of musical instruments. These spaces are an invitation to all the senses. The atrium, soaring 3 decks high, inviting guests to gaze and take in the changing perspective from deck to deck. A space perfectly in tune with the HAL America line spirit. Extraordinary experiences happen in the Queen's Lounge. Great performances. The seductive sounds of B.B. King's Blues Club. This room has been expanded upward to include a second elegant tier and features the ship's largest dance floor. Dining as a soaring experience. As on all our ships, the dining room is a 2-story wonder, light and open. An innovative wine tower will be a striking centerpiece and feature one of the finest wine collections at sea. Return from a day exploring the world to elegant accommodations and the warm smiles and renowned service of our crew. Spacious, thoughtfully designed staterooms and beautifully appointed suites wrap guests in comfort and amenities. And introducing our new family staterooms, designed to make everybody feel well cared for. A distinctive presence on all our ships, the Pinnacle Grill exists to please guests with a decidedly Pacific Northwest cuisine. Bulgari china, frette linens, and an experience to celebrate. Memorable evenings are created here. This is just a glimpse of what the Koningsdam will offer. More innovative designs and exciting plans will be revealed in the months ahead. A new voyage begins April 2016.